Secure and spacious metal dog kennel with roof cover. Protect your pets with this sturdy dog kennel. Secure and stable. This dog kennel crate comes with extra thickened stakes, 8 for XS and S, 12 for L, that firmly anchor it to the ground and prevent it from moving or tipping over. Even if your dog is energetic or tries to escape, it also has a sturdy door lock that effectively keeps your dog inside the cage. Durable and weather resistant. This outdoor dog cage is made of heavy-duty metal pipes with high tensile strength and a wire diameter of 3.5 millimeters, making it resistant to biting, bending, rusting, corroding, and fading. The metal cage has a powder coating and a sulphide treatment that extend its lifespan and make it suitable for outdoor use in any weather condition. UV and rainproof sunroof. This dog cage pen has a sunshade and windproof roof made of 210 Oxford cloth, a material with high water resistance and sun protection factor SPF 50+, blocking 99.95% of sunlight. The roof also has an inclined structure that allows water to drain easily and dry quickly in rainy or snowy days. Spacious and comfortable area. This outdoor dog fence provides a large and free activity
made of
space for
210
your pets
Oxford
to
cloth
run and
UV
play.
protection
The
SPF
L size,
50+,
LXW,
adaptable to all weather conditions,
249
able to
by
withstand wind
120
and rain.
centimeters.
Encrypted waterproof
two
Oxford
large
fabric.
dogs, such as
New
Australian
upgraded chicken
Shepherd,
pipe,
Golden
heated door,
Retriever,
silver powder
Belgian
coating
Shepherd,
paint.
German
Newly
Shepherd,
upgraded feeding
Labrador,
gauge.
etc. With ample
While
room and
providing
safety.
convenience without
You can also
compromising safety.
DIY some pet toys inside the cage to keep your pets entertained and happy for a long time. Wide application.
Our second
This
generation
outdoor
thicker
dog
iron
crate
pipe.
is not only suitable for indoor and outdoor use,
Second
but
generation
also for
thickened
other
iron
animals,
pipe.
such as chickens,
New upgrade.
rabbits, ducks, etc. It can protect them
Iron
from
pipe
foxes and other
comparison.
predators. However, please
Anti-rust
note that
silver
this
powder
dog
coating
cage
paint.
is not recommended for small
Peace of
cats,
mind for pet owners.
chicks,
Subscribe.
or rabbits. If you have any
Multi-size
issues
display.
with the product or its accessories, please
A new
contact us
experience
as
for your
soon as
poultry.
possible and we will provide a solution within 24 hours.
Pets are family.